Hello, and welcome back to the Ultimate Piano course by Joseph N. In this video, we'll discuss rhythm exercise drill number 8. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. As with the previous exercise, we're going to set our metronome to quarter note equals 90. Again, you want to work up to these tempos instead of starting directly at them, or you risk making many mistakes as you learn the exercises themselves. So without further ado, I have my metronome set to quarter note equals 90, and we'll go from the very beginning. Alrighty, so this exercise has a lot of elements of other exercises we've used before, all fused together. So let's take a look and see what we have. In the first two lines, we have eighth notes, quarter notes, dotted quarter notes, and half notes, as well as eighth rests, quarter rests, and later down in the piece we'll have a half rest as well. So just about every type of rhythm is present, which means we always have to be on top of our counting to make sure that they're not playing any tricks on us with all the different types of rhythms we have. Measure 3 has ties as well, and while we've seen these before, we have a new one, a dotted half note tied to an eighth note. In this instance, that's 3 beats tied to half a beat, so 3.5 beats, or if you prefer counting eighth notes, it's 7 eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, with the final eighth note being the last and of that measure. The next measure has an eighth note tied to a dotted quarter note, which would be half tied to 1.5, so that'll make 2, or just a half note. The last thing to watch out for is the different time signature changes. Remember, we're counting 4 beats at the beginning, but at the end of line 3, the beginning of line 4, we're going to be using 3/4 time, so we'll have 3 beats per measure. The final line is going to be in 5/4 time, so now we'll count all the way up to 5 beats per measure. As always, we always want to put in a lot of repetitions for these exercises, especially now that we are increasing our tempo to quarter note equals 90. And then I'll see you in the next exercise.